Now today second part of BHU 2018 thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. First question number 11. Number of microstate for a monoatomic ideal gas with n molecules in a volume V and with total energy E proportional to 1, 2, 3, 4 option. And now solve this. Now solve question 11. The microstate proportional to e to the power half and whole to the power n particle. So microstate proportional to e to the power n by 2. And second question question number 12. If Q is a partition function of a system canonical instance, that average energy of the system given by. Okay, it is very important question and it is remember always. Okay, and the answer E, average energy E always minus del V ln of Q. It is very important question for GATE, NET, SET and every entrance exam for MSc entrance exam. Okay, answer 4. Question 13. Consider a system consisting of two particles, each which is one of the three quantum state 0, epsilon, 2 epsilon. The number of the total configuration when the particle are identical boson. Okay, now see, let we can solve two particle question number 13. Ni equal to 2, Gi equal to 3. So total number of configuration microstate হবে, microstate will be, we know Gi plus Ni minus 1 factorial by Ni factorial into Gi minus 1 factorial. Then we put the value of Gi and Ni, then 3 plus 2 minus 1 factorial and 2 factorial and 3 minus 1 factorial. That can 4 factorial, 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 1 to 4 into 3 by 2 to 1, 6. Total number of configuration 6. That answer be 2. Then question 14. Consider a gas of photon in a cubic container of edge length L and volume V equal to LQ. Mean pressure of term of energy E given by. Question 14. We know for photon gas P is independent of V. Okay, P equal to 1/3 third U equal to 1/3 sorry is independent or depend on V. P is depend on V, so P 1/3 U, P and U equal to E by V, 1/3 E by V. Then answer 3. Question is 15. Statistical system which are both energy and number of particles change are best described by this question type. Three type of is the topic. Three type of question will be given. Like one type is which is isolated and which is given one type of only particle and which energy and particle and which is only energy can exchange. Okay, that here statistical physics very important topics of this. And now 15 question 15 we know both energy and number of particle can exchange only GAN canonical ensemble, that open system. Okay, answer 3. Then question 16 relative root mean square fluctuation of energy of canonical ensemble, this theory. This question is wrong question and answer is not for this 4 answer is not correct. Okay, the answer then I write the solve the problem of this. Okay, this and see very clearly. Okay, okay, independent of temperature, only depend of 1 by root 10. Okay, it is very important and it is can very important question for every exam. Okay, and his answer is repeated is more time, repeated more time. Okay, 67. At what temperature pressure remaining unchanged will be molecular velocity root mean square velocity of hydrogen will be double of its value at NTP. Okay, and solve the question. This type of question is very most important for every exam. Okay, root mean square velocity, average velocity and most probable velocity is very important. Okay, it is remember always. Okay, now question 67. We know Vrms equal to root over 3 kVt by m, and here pressure and temperature even T and P constant, and only and mass same because only hydrogen only hydrogen. Okay, and Vrms at temperature NTP and Vrms at temperature calculated. Okay, then V1 V2 T1 T2 T1 NTP equal to 273 Kelvin. Okay, and V2 equal to twice V1, and V2 V1 T2 T1 T2 T1 equal to 2 square, T2 equal to 4 into T1, 4 into 273 equal to 1092 Kelvin, and 192 minus 273, 9 1 8 degree C. Answer 2. It is watch very carefully, because this answer given, but unit is different for degree C is given, but comes only Kelvin, and then comes degree C, and then is this answer given, this answer there, and Kelvin unit. Okay, very solve very carefully. And this question, the ratio between most probable speed and root mean square speed of the gas of the molecule. Okay, I was told you sometime before that this most probable and roots mean square velocity and speed and velocity, this three, most probable, root mean square, and average, speed and velocity, very most important. Okay, very most important. This type of question given every exam. Okay, question 69. We know VMP, most probable speed, twice KT by M, and V RMS 3 KT by M, and VMP by V RMS equal to 2 by 3. It is calculated very carefully, but if you calculate VRMS by VMP is root 3 by root 2, it is given in the answer. Okay, so calculate very carefully. Okay, it is answer, it is right answer, it is wrong answer. Okay, answer is 3. 71. For adiabatic expansion, black body radiation includes which is the following correct? This type of question answer is question 71. Answer, we know P values V to the power gamma T V to the power gamma minus 1 constant. There are two value, gamma is 2 value 5 by 3 and gamma is 4 by 3. This type T be proportional to V to the power minus 23, V by minus 2 by 3, and T be proportional to V by V to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, T be into V to the power 1 by 3. equal to constant. So this answer 1 is correct, and 72 the enthalpy throttling process. This is enthalpy will be constant. Okay, enthalpy remains constant. Answer 1. Okay, 72 1 enthalpy constant, H1 equal to H2. 73, which is the correct? It is Stefan law. Stefan law, you know, E by T to the power 4 is one constant, E by T to the power 4 is one constant. Is answer 1. Okay, 73 1 answer is correct. Right answer 1. 74 numerical value of the slope of the isenthalpic curve any point of TP diagram is called, we know, Joule Kelvin coefficient. Okay, mu del P del T. Then 75 which follow the can use procedure lowest temperature. It is adiabatic adiabatic dimagnetization. 75 answer is 3, adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt. Okay, 75 answer 3 is right. And 76 mix of two temperature of two matter. We calculate the temperature of the mix. C to T1 minus T equal to C Tc minus T2. Okay, Tc equal to half into T1 plus T2. Okay, then can calculate entropy del S1 when we goes to temperature T1 to Tc, and dt by T equal to mCp ln of Tc by T1, and then del S2 mCp when we goes to T2 to Tc dt by T equal to mCp ln of Tc by T2. Then add this del S1 and del S2, del S plus del S2, and mCp ln Tc T1 plus mCp ln Tc by T2 mCp Tc square log, this is log, this is why multiple T1 T2 twice mCp ln Tc by T1 T2, then twice mCp ln of T1 T2 T1 into T2. Okay, the answer mCp ln of T1 plus T2 by 2 by root over of T1 T2. Answer is 1. Okay, and cover the all thermodynamics question for 218. Okay, and then we solve nuclear physics, nuclear and particle physics. Then this upload and next day. Okay, and please subscribe and like and share. And if any